Hi student, our today's topic is that water available to the roots for the absorption. ठीक है, as we started the lesson plant water relation. Yesterday I just told you regarding that root is the organ of the plant that is responsible for the absorption of water from the soil. Even I just told you about the structure and the function of root and that structure of root hair. अब हमको ये पता है कि रूट हेयर और द जोन ऑफ रूट हेयर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ मैक्सिमम वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल. बट फ्रॉम वेयर इट एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वाटर इज एब्जॉर्ब बाय द रूट मीन्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी इज प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल फॉर द एब्जॉर्प्शन of the root. ठीक है, all the type of water is not get absorbed by the root from the soil. Then what type of water is present inside the soil that we seen in this video means आपको ये मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि देखिए root is developed in a particular area means in a limited area and it absorb the water from there. That surrounding of the root it is called as rhizosphere. क्या बोला जाता है उसको? rhizosphere. आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी पता है हाइड्रोस्फीयर मीन्स द एरिया ऑफ वाटर, लिथोस्फीयर एंड द एटमोस्फीयर. ये आप लोगों ने पहले भी सुना होगा बट यू नेवर हर्ड रिगार्डिंग द rhizosphere. तो rhizosphere मीन्स देखिए द स्मॉल माइक्रो एनवायरमेंट जस्ट सराउंडिंग टू द रूट्स ओके और अराउंड द रूट के आजू बाजू जो एक छोटा सा एनवायरमेंट है जिसमें से रूट को वाटर एब्जॉर्ब करना है वो उसका एनवायरमेंट मतलब राइजोस्फीयर. एंड द प्लांट इज ऑलवेज एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर फ्रॉम द राइजोस्फीयर. कहाँ से एब्जॉर्ब करेगा? राइजोस्फीयर से. अब इस राइजोस्फीयर में अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर कैसी है? तो देखिए दैट वाटर इज अवेलेबल इन अ राइजोस्फीयर. इट इज ऑकर्स इन अ 4 फॉर्म्स. ठीक है, कितने फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होता है? 4 फॉर्म में. These 4 forms of water, out of these only 1 form of water get absorbed by the root of the plant. Okay, and these 3 forms are not absorbed by the roots. देखिए अब which are these 4 types of water? That water, first water it is called as gravitational water. कौन सा water? Gravitational water. Gravitational water means what? The water that is present और free water भी बोला जाता है इसको. Okay, the water that is percolate inside the soil or into the soil because of gravity. Okay, means the water that is absorbed by the soil due to the gravity. It is called as gravitational water. Okay, means percolation of water it is only due to the gravity. Okay, gravity means the attraction of the earth and because of that it is called as gravitational water. But that water is not useful for the plant for the absorption. Means root hairs are not absorb the gravitational water from the soil. Means it is not available for the roots. Then second water it is called as hygroscopic water. Hygroscopic water means what? देखिए the fine particles of soil absorb और imbibe करना मतलब एब्जॉर्ब करना. ठीक है, इम्बिबिशन की प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया जाता है. तो जो मूवमेंट होती है मतलब यहाँ पे हाइड्रोफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं जो पानी को क्या करते हैं अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करके उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. उनको पानी वैसे भी पसंद होता है एंड दे आर एब्जॉर्बिंग द water. Means the fine soil particle just imbibe the water or absorb the water by the process of absorption. This water is called as hygroscopic water. Means that water is present inside the fine soil particle and it is also not available for the roots of the plant for the purpose of absorption. ठीक है. Then the third water it is called as combined water. Combined water मतलब क्या? तो combined water मतलब the water particle those who are hydrated or present in the form of hydrated oxides of silicon or may aluminium like materials that is present inside the soil. It is called as combined water. किसके साथ combined है? तो oxides of silicon or aluminium. So it is called as combined water and that combined water is also not available for the roots of the plant for the purpose of absorption. ठीक है, means all these conditions and all these three forms of water is not available for the plant as the purpose of absorption. Then the fourth one, it is called as capillary water. Capillary water means what? The capillary water means the water that is held in between the soil particle. ठीक है, कहाँ पर held किया जाता है? Soil particles के बीच में. देखो, the presence of air space in between the soil particle that held the water molecule. ये soil particle में रहने वाला air space पानी के molecules को पकड़ कर रखता है by means of कैपिलरिटी. ठीक है, और ड्यू टू द कैपिलरिटी इट इज कॉल्ड कैपिलरी वाटर. क्या बोला जाता है इसको? कैपिलरी वाटर. एंड दैट कैपिलरी वाटर इज अवेलेबल फॉर द प्लांट फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन पर्पस. ठीक है, मीन्स रूट हेयर्स able to penetrate inside the gaps between the soil particle and easily absorb the water that is available in between the soil particle. Means this is called as capillary water and only capillary water is available for the root hairs for absorption. Understood? तो ये हो गए आपके 4 types of water and the availability of water to the roots for the absorption.